Hello YouTube. I want to quickly show you how to remove labels like this from the vehicle. For this demonstration, this is for this vehicle, this is a Ford Transit, and I'm replacing the hood, but I need to, you can see the hood is damaged here. I need to take this off from the old one and put it, transfer it to the new one that you see right there. I got that from the junkyard, so the labels are different. I want to make sure that I switch that, so I'm going to show you how you can quickly do that. This also you can also use for you have these labels on the vehicle. These are dust stickers, all these ones right here, these stickers there, all these stickers right here, this one right here. Yeah, you want to use it. Maybe sometimes this place is damaged, this part is damaged, and you just need to quickly you want to fix this side. Of course, when you fix this place, this is going to be destroyed, so definitely, but you want to make sure you preserve this and preserve this before you fix it. So this just is very simple way by which you can do it. What you need to do, just get a home, that's when you're doing this at the back of your house. You get a hair dryer like this, just turn it on to hot. Very simple. Once it's hot, next thing you do, you just you just heat it up like this. You heat it up like that. So it should be pretty easy to do. Heat it up. So to do that, next, put your hand there, okay, right there. You can use your finger to just do it, and you can see this one is peeling off myself. See, it's coming off without any stress. You see, that's how you do this. Easy. Yep, you can see that's off now. See that? So you can see this somewhere, and then you do the same thing for that one. And now to put it back, we will need to use this glue, 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. That's what we're going to use. We will apply that on. We'll apply that at the back. We will apply that at the back of this, and also we'll apply it on this spot here. So once it's a little bit tacky, it doesn't take long before it dries up. Once you do that, then we'll just put it there, and then everything should be good. All right, so let's do this quickly. Gonna spray this there on this spot. That's all. And then we'll also put it on this one right here. Make sure covered very well. That's how it's done. Okay, we'll set it down, let it dry 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. So once it becomes a little tacky, so you can see it's a little tacky, then it's ready to go. So we just put that, take it out, just take it and you know, we'll take it and then we can just put it right there on top of the old one. You gotta just do your best to make sure you lay it there correctly so you don't miss the original. Yeah, it was. Yeah, and that's it. Again, just for clarification, the hood was replaced. That's the old wood damaged. So you can see it's damaged right here. So we took that out. We replaced with this one. We had to swap the sticker on that for this one just to make sure that everything is accurate. So that's it. That also works for you want to replace the ones you have for places like this. You see all these side stickers here, this vehicle, these those stickers there, these ones. That's how you do it. See you in the next video.